Good evening, Tampa Bay. I am your host, Francis Gelsworth, and today is January 11th, 2017, and the temperature is 55 degrees, meaning is perfect weather, especially during the winter time. Oh wait, an emergency alert is ongoing. We'll come back to this.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government along with the Federal Emergency Management Agency. It has been shown by some reports from people that the Earth's rotation around the Sun is slowing down, causing the amount of hours to increase. The time span of a day is from 24 hours to now 30 hours. It is unknown what caused this phenomenal change to happen, but all residents are advised not to panic. Scientists are working on a plan to prevent the Earth's rotation from slowing down any further and figure out the cause of this problem, but for now, stay tuned for more information and details related to this situation.
Event type is unnatural, for all of Canada. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Canadian government along with the Canadian Space Agency. It was reported that the Earth rotation is slowly but surely stopping, causing the amount of hours to go up and increase the length of a day. The time span of a day has gone from 24 hours up to 30 hours. It is unknown what made the Earth's rotation slow down at this time, however, all residents are advised to remain calm and vigilant. The Canadian Space Agency has announced collaboration with the National Aeronautics and Space Administration to come up with a plan to prevent the Earth's rotational speed from slowing down and probably bring it back to where it was before. Stay tuned for more information and details regarding this planetary issue.
Le type d'événement n'est pas naturel, pour tout le Canada. Le message suivant est transmis à la demande du gouvernement canadien et de l'Agence spatiale canadienne. Il a été rapporté que la rotation de la Terre s'arrête lentement mais sûrement, ce qui fait que le nombre d'heures augmente et augmente la durée de la journée. La durée d'une journée est passée de 24 heures à 30 heures. On ne sait pas ce qui a ralenti la rotation de la Terre en ce moment. Cependant, il est conseillé à tous les résidents de rester calmes et vigilants. L'Agence spatiale canadienne a annoncé une collaboration avec l'Administration nationale de l'aéronautique et de l'espace pour élaborer un plan visant à empêcher la vitesse de rotation de la Terre de ralentir et probablement à la ramener là où elle était auparavant. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations et de détails concernant ce problème planétaire.
Good afternoon. Today is January 13th, 2017, and it's 4:20 p.m. in the afternoon, but the sun is rising in a really late time. This is very unusual, as the sun would never wait this long to rise up from the sky. In Los Angeles, the sun has begun to rise. We are expecting an emergency alert. We will now go into the alert to see what they want.
It has been found out that time will come to a complete stop within the next 20 to 40 years. Every single thing will be held still, and humans, animals, and other life forms will become like a statue figure. Please don't panic during this hard situation.